So, I think we are live. Let me check this first. Yes, we are live. We're waiting for people who are interested in the Bitcoin analyze. Let me look. I know I not announced this earlier, but let's wait a little bit so that we can start here. So you can see here the price of gold. It's relatively interesting. Let me look more inside in gold. Then we switch to Bitcoin. Yeah, let's look first to gold. What we have here. Let me look. Um, let's look. First, sorry for the word. This is bullshit here. It's good, okay. We have an uptrend, but this will not hold so long. Yeah, we're coming to the end. You can see the last. How can I say? Some people call this head and here a couple. Yeah. It is positive, yes. We have the possibility that the price can go here a little bit higher, yeah, in direction of 2,500, but it is coming to the end. So let me look here more exactly. If you're looking here exactly, then we can say we're coming to the end. So it is an uptrend here, yes, but this is not in my focus to say, okay, this will go here to 5,000 or something like that. Yeah, so a little bit uptrend is there, but not in which we can say, okay, the price will go really hard to 5,000 or something like that. Yeah. Let me look here. So this is the last wave. Look, I make this in green that you see this. This is a W pattern. And yes, we have the possibility. Yeah. It's not so that it's negative, but from this point, I'm here not so, yeah, so a little bit and then chaos. Let me look here to the downside. Downside is clear a negative because if you are trader and analyze the charts, then you know, okay, if you have here double top, then the next movement is this. So the price will really crash to the downside. So I would not bet that the gold price will go here to 5,000 because this chart is highly manipulated. We're looking here to Bitcoin. Let me look here more inside. So now you see that the price is going to 36,500. We zoom in and then we can recognize, okay, the price has an uptrend. We are still in the uptrend. The uptrend is still active. Yeah. And then you can see we are, I would say, in the middle of this uptrend. Yeah. So, and then if you're looking here more exactly, then you can recognize something happens here. Um, the Bitcoin chart will tell us or tell us here at the moment that he built a structure like this here. Yeah, and this is a structure in which we will break out. That means if you see here this falling wedge, then the signs for us, okay, something big will happen. That means the price could go easily to levels of 28,000. Yeah, why? You can see this is our uptrend, so we have to test this level 27,000 direct. Yeah, and we have also the possibility if the price break this structure, then even 42,000 is easily possible here. Yeah, you can see then we have the possibility to break here the structure and uptrend to the upside. Yeah, and exactly this I offer in a special Bitcoin analyze. Below is a link. After the live stream, you can write me there and get the information in which direction the price will go, and then you can make profit. So let me look here to the chat. What is your wish? Should we look here to Chili's? I know it's relatively late. I not announced this live stream before. Um, so few subscriber or people look to this live stream, but no matter, I think after the live stream, many people will look. So what is your wish? If you look here to the structure here, I can say to you one thing. If you look to this structure here, then 99% is a finish. So, and the last 1%, if we draw here a line to this, yeah, if we say, okay, this is our downtrend, then we can say, okay, we are a little bit in this area, yeah. So we have here two possibilities. One possibility is we break here the structure here, yeah. This is our head. What I not believe. Okay, let's say we break this. Then we see here a really big pump. Going in 16-cent levels. Yeah. And then what I have in my mind, if we're reaching the 16 cent, the price will break down to the downside like this. The benefit is if you see a movement like this, yeah, uptrend, break, crash, then you're a lucky man. The reason is this falling wedge is finished. And that means you have wonderful signs that from this point, a really massive movement will come. You can see I draw the line straight because it will go straight. The reason is this is manipulation. We break out, and the next level is this. Look, how beautiful is that? If you are a member or become member, then I can draw you for you what will happen here. So really crazy. This is crazy. So this is one possibility. The other possibility is if you look here more inside, that is a relative clear look here. Yeah. If the price, this is what I think what will happen because I expect that the Bitcoin price last pump. So if you're looking here to this, zoom in. Okay, let me look here more inside. Give me a little time. Okay. Uh, I think the green line will happen, but the whales can also manipulate here. You can see here the negative line here to the downside. Let's say they manipulate the price here to the downside. The green line happens here. Then we have the theoretical chance that the price, let me look, break here down. Here. I expect, you can see this here, I expect a wave to the downside. The benefit is if the wave is coming to the downside, this is ultra bullish. That means the price have to go here to the upside. And then we're landing here. Yeah. So no matter if you say, okay, I wanna make here profit, then this can happen, but with a hard drop that we can expect, or the price goes slowly to the downside, and this is the next step. So you decide what you want, but if you're looking here to the Bitcoin price back, then I expect a really explosion or a really big dump. So one of them is that, yeah, in the special Bitcoin analysis I described is very good. What will happen? If you want this, then you can write me below is a link. If you're looking here back to Chile's, then my expectations are that we're going in direction of let me look. We choose this. Okay, this is better. Okay. So then my expectations are that we're going in direction of, I would say 10 cent, 11, 12 cent and make the hard drop. So we're looking here to the next crypto, FTM. So you see the price is at 32 cent. Please become a member, then you get these informations also directly from my side. I predicted the hard drop at the Phantom very well from $2.30 to 30 cent. Let me look here more inside. You can see we have here the situation. This is our resistant. So we go to these levels here. Yeah, I want to look here more inside. So we look, we make one step back. Ultra bullish. The reason is I explain you the reason. The reason is this is here, never a ending formation. Yes, it is a little bit complicated. Um, we have down risk like this, yeah, that the price is going like this, and then they manipulate in direction of 15 cent. The risk is here, yeah, but there are also chances because the 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 how can I say the prediction or the price movements of the cryptos ending never in this way here. This is never an ending formation. This is a formation, a pre-step of a hard uptrend or downtrend. Yeah, but in this case, I say this to you. This is a pre-step of a really big pump. Yeah, so I have to say this because so in this chart we can see this. This is a left shoulder hat and the right shoulder formation. If you are become member, then I can say this more often and directly. Yeah. So I expect here a pump, yeah, because this is never any formation. This is a pre-step, a hammer, and I expect a formation like this. Let me look here more outside. Then relative interesting people. This is relative interesting. If this coming out, very interesting. Then we have here a W pattern, the blue line. Yeah, and if this turning out or uh, is active, yeah, then we will break here the 60 cent level. It will go relatively quick. And if this is happening, then we have the possibility that the big, the big W pattern is activated. Personally, I not believe in that this big W pattern is active. Not yet. Yeah, it will active, but not yet. But I think we have the possibility to active the small W pattern, what will take us in direction of 60 cent. Yeah. But wait, the I think we will see this in the next I would say 5 to 6 days, because this year, this year, first wave, the second wave, the third wave is not here. So they will stretch this. Yeah. So you can see small steps, steps, but the third wave is not like this. They will stretch this, stretch and stretch and stretch, and then hard drop. So you have the possibility to make gains here, and you have the possibility to make gains here. Yeah, so let's look to AVAX. Become member of the Wolf Next target and Wolf M price target. I update new video analysis, so you can get these informations also for other crypto, so not to wait. Very wonderful. You can see the performance from 10 to $20. Let me look. I wanna find another chart that we can see something more. Let me look. Not so much Coinbase, not so much. Okay, then we take here the Binance. So this AVAX is a crypto in which you can become a millionaire. Yeah. The reason is the structure is relative strong. And if we looking to this area here, this is very important. Yeah. Let me look here more inside. Do you see something? What kind of information you see here? You see, this is our W pattern. You see also that we broke the structure. Yeah, if you look here more inside and adjust a little bit, what kind of information you see here? You see that we broke the resistant, not support yet. We broke the resistant here and sit here on this resistant. Look here. How beautiful is that? Look. Yeah. And that means if you look only to this part here, yeah, then you see a behavior relative, really, really very good. Yeah. And the reason is you see that the formations are uh, going more, not the opposite of the stretching. That means if you see here stretching, then these formations looks like this. Yeah. But you see opposite of this stretching, that means the formations looking like this. Look, up, down, up, down. And this is for us a sign, yeah, that here the price will explode. The price will explode, and you have here the possibility to make really fat gains. Let's look. That means if they really not manipulate, then I expect the AVAX price here at this level. Let me look, let me look. I expect the price here at, I would say 32. If they really stretch, then I expect the price at 44, 48. Yeah. Because again, this here is has nothing to do with this, because this here is our strongest area. Yeah. This is the area in which the people see that the price is pumping 50%. Yeah. Let's look to the next. Gala. Become member people so that you have this information Well, let me look. I will update tomorrow. Very much cryptos. Then you can get this also from my side if you become a member of the Wolf Next Target or Wolf Enterprise Target. So we're looking here to Gala. You can see the trend to the downside. You can see here support, yeah, and you can see here wonderful. The price is a breakout. Yeah, so we are in a positive area. So the price is relative relative good in a good area because you can see the price breaks out. We built here our hammer, and let me look. Yes, let me look. Let me look. If we are looking to this formation, then I would expect that the price, if this really pump, yeah, it will pump. But if the wells stretch this formations, yeah, then the next movement is at 004. We coming back, yeah. If we can stay here at these levels, please look exactly what I'm saying to you, yeah. If we staying here on these levels, look here. Yeah, if this is happening, and if you see this in the chart, then the price has the possibility to go in this, let me look, in this direction here, 007. If we can break here the structure, what I not believe, 007 is, I think, an area in which we have to come back to the downside. Yeah, this is an area, this is not so easy to break out. But if this is happening, then I think you have a lot of gains here. But be careful here because the price could easily make a movement like this. Look here. Yeah? Be careful. This is not so funny. Yeah. But the benefit is if this coming back, then we have here a wonderful situation because this is then our retest. Yeah. The benefit is we have then the situation to start the bull run. It means from this here, the price will go like this. Yeah. And but many people not understand and not know is the price will go like, let me look. That is what I predict in the Wolf M price target is this year. Yeah. Let me look what we have here. The price will go easily in levels of 10, $12. But the people not see this or not understand the structure. Yeah. The structure is powerful. And that is one of the cryptos. This is also my gem what I offer also in the gem 35 that can make you a millionaire. It's not financial advice, it's only experience. There are a lot of cryptos people that give you the possibility to make really fat cash. I think at 2025 the casino will really start. Yeah, the casino will really start. And I don't know what the plan is from these people, yeah, elites and so on. But 2025, next year is maybe the first movement, and then really at 2025, like a firework. Yeah, you can see from 006, yeah, 006 directly to 90 cent, and then there you can see the power. You can see the power. This power will come back. So we're looking here to Alu. Okay, Altura. Okay, what do we have here? We're looking here to this. Yes, it's a good crypto. If you are a long-term holder, the price will go to $1, but we cannot say here exactly in these seconds that the price will go higher. So I see this only, what I can see is $1. Yeah. So if the price is coming at 2005 to $1, then we can look to the whole market like Bitcoin. If I see that the price of Bitcoin will pump from 60,000 to 100,000, then we can say, okay, this is our uptrend. We can make a projection from Bitcoin to this chart, and then we can say, okay, this is our uptrend neckline, and then $2. Yeah, but at the moment I can see only $1. If you look here exactly to the structure, then you can see it's also wonderful to look. Um, we see here a left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and you can see the pump from 004 to 006. Now we zoom in. Also the same structure. You can see we're going to the upside, then downside, upside, downside. The structure, the the how can I say, the points are very near. If you look here, yeah, points are near. So this is a good signs for us because then we can say, okay, we expect here a behavior like this. If the points are um, not so much in the near like this, then we can say, okay, we expect only sideways. Yeah. So it's a good crypto. In the short term, long term, we have to look again. But from the levels of 10 cent or 12 cent, I would avoid this crypto. Yeah, because then the massive sell-off can come. So we're looking here to the next. What we have here. Red coin is good, relative good. What is the name? Let me look. Red. I have to look. Red coin. Maybe you can write this to me. Let me look. Red coin. Okay, I found it. Okay, let's look here. I hope we can see something. I would avoid this. Maybe you can say me another crypto because the chart is not so what I want. Let me look to Quinty. So, also one of my gems, I also made here analyzing the gem videos, also for the members. Um, Let me look inside. So, a little bit disappointed because this crypto has really power to the upside. Highly manipulated crypto because you can see the performance is not so much from 50 to 200 coming back, and you can see the price of Bitcoin pumps really hard, and then you can see is happening here nothing. But this crypto is for long term. Yeah, at the short term, some people not want that the price of QNT um, should go here to the upside. Let me look here to the last fragment. What we have here. So we see here a structure like left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. Let's look to October because at the October the price of Bitcoin goes really hard to the upside. And then you can see here the behavior is total manipulated. Sorry to say this because you can see here the uptrend happens here, then a massive downtrend is coming here. In some cryptos, you can see the downtrend is happening like this. Really, you can compare. The downtrend here is happening at Bitcoin and other cryptos like this. You see here the first manipulation. Yeah, where is that? To look, and then you can see here our second manipulation because this wave is never goes like this. This wave is like this. Yeah. So you can see the first manipulation here and the second manipulation here. Then without manipulation, the price would stay at the current level here, now at 200. And now you have see the price is at 100. That means um, the possibilities that the price pump is relative low. So what we can expect is uh, if this pump maximum 140, yeah, 40 here in these levels. If this pump to 160 is okay, but then we can expect that the price move relative fast to 40 or 30 or 25. The reason is we have to test the low levels again. If you zoom out, then you can see that we have a double test here. Yeah, one test here, second test here, and that is positive because then we have a double pattern like this. Yeah, the time is not right for currency at the moment, but for the future, we can expect that the price is going in direction to $2,000. So we're looking here to the next. What is Metis? Okay, let's look here to this. Okay. What we have here. You are a lucky man because the Metis will fly. We can look here. Normally, I would say this to you in the Wolf Enterprise target if you are a member. Yeah, but here in the live stream, I say this to you direct that you have this information. I expect the Metis price at 2025-26 in levels of 800 or 1000. Yeah, this is like a Solana chart. The reason is if you zoom in, you see that the price is strong. Yeah, the price, even in this bear market, the price stays stable. Look here, $40 goes only 50% to the downside. Nothing with 90%. Some cryptos goes here in the bear market 90% to the downside. You can see only 50%. This is a signs of strongness, yeah. And that means if you zoom in, then you can recognize we have a wonderful structure. Look here. We have a left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. At the moment, we built here the right shoulder. Look, the right shoulder is built here at the moment, here. And I expect if they really not manipulate the price here so much, a movement like this. Yeah. When we are here at these levels, then we have to look again because the 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 resistance is here at these levels. Look here. Yeah. So we have to look again because from this level 40 or 36, yeah, the price can or the wells can start here a sell-off. Then we could see something like that. Then you have the possibility to get in here, get in this chart very or price very good because here the low level, if this is happening, then you have the possibility that the price goes like this to the upside. Yeah, you can see left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. The condition for outbreak is in my eyes not there. Yeah, because this is too early to make here outbreak. So I think you can take here the last uptrend to the upside. Yeah, and then you can short the price here to the downside. You have the possibility to make gains here. You have the possibility to make gains here. And you can here at the third part, you can make here really fat gains. Yeah, become member, then I can look here exactly. Let's look here to what we have here, KDA. There's a one question, Wolf, do you think, you still think that the price will go to $4,000? Yes, I have to say this here. The reason I explain you the reason why the price of Bitcoin will go here to $4,000. Some people think, okay, this is joke or something like that. The reason is even if we going here to high levels, yeah, that means to 42,000 to 50,000. This structure is broke. That means the price have to really have to go to the downside. And interesting is this movement. Maybe some people not understand and say, okay, what are you talking about? This structure is since October manipulated here. At the October last year, we said, okay, the bull run starts. Yeah, and then the price is going to these levels here. Everything was okay. Yeah, I was also very positive. And then they did here a manipulation here, exactly on this place. And then I switched to negative because this was not normal here. They try make here retest, and the second manipulation happens here. Exactly, look here. Normally the retest here is small like this here. Yeah? But what happens here at the moment they stretch this. That is not good here. Yeah? Stretch this, okay, they can stretch this, but in the end of the day, we have to we have to go to the downside to make here the last test. And the last test is not here 15,000. The last test is really here. That is our base here. Look, between 4,000 and 9,000. Yeah, but I not think that the 9,000 will hold. A really big event will come and they will press the price to the downside. The reason is, I can say to you also the reason. The reason is we will finally end the bear market. That is the reason here. This structure have to end, yeah, and a new structure have to start. And that means if you look here to this, then we need this here. Look here. You have really the possibility to make here gains, fat gains. If you are a member, then I say this in the Bitcoin club, yeah, also in the Wolf Empire style, yeah? And also here, yeah, if this is happening, then from this point, I can explain you what will happen next. This is relative, how can I say, in the big long term, it's relatively easy to make a prediction, but in the short term, the whales manipulate a lot. The journey is clear in which direction the price will go. It's relatively easy to predict, but in the small term or short term, um, yeah, if the price manipulated to higher levels here, okay, it is negative, but in the short term is positive. Yes, you are right. The altcoins will go to zero, but this is also a chance for you because uh, if you invest $1,000, then you can buy a lot of altcoins. Many people will have fear, but in this moment you can buy everything, yeah, because you know, okay, the bull run will come. But the people are invested at the moment because they say, okay, the price is rising, I have to invest, go in the market, and then if the price go to zero, then they have no money. That's the problem. But you can get in the market, so I'm not holding you. So, but for me, okay, this is a wave. The price will make his price, but the big plan is Bitcoin 4,000. So we're looking here to other. Let's look here to other. Please become member, then you get these informations also. I would recommend it for you the Wolf Next target or Wolf M price target. If you say, okay, I want all of them, then you can make also a Bitcoin club. Then you get the Wolf Next target and Wolf M price target membership free. So we're looking here to other. The performance of other is bad. Yeah, because the price is going from 24 cent to 37 cent. But these kind of cryptos are, how can I describe it? If they starting to rising, they go relatively quick. Look, I explain you this that you understand. Here's happening nothing in the past. So you can see nothing happening between $1.80 and $1. Nothing is happening. But you can see what happens here. From this point, the price is rising very hard. Yeah. Let's look to this. So what we can get here is that the price can go in this direction here. Let me look. What we can expect is if we break here the structure exactly on this here, then the next logical point is this here. You have here nearly, I would say 100%, yeah, 50, 60 cent. Yeah. From this point, it is too early to break out. So I think I would say here we have to stop. Let's look here in detail what will happen. So you can see the same structure. Look, you see here up and down. Look here, up and down, up and down, up and down. And in the last wave, let me look to the last wave. Aha, you can see. You see here a small hammer. Look here. Do you see this? That means left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. And we could go like this. If this is happening, people look here exactly. I make this in green. If the green line is happening, then we can sit here on this construct. That means the price could go to the downside like this, yeah. And we have then a wonderful formation for breakout more. So the condition is there, is here, yeah. So you can make here easy profit now, and the price is going to 60 cent, yeah. Everything is okay. So at the moment now, if the whales manipulate the price, let's look here. This was the positive case. So the construct is here. We have the possibility to go to 60 cent. Now we're looking here to this here. Yeah. So if this is happening here, what I not believe is not in my focus. Let's say they manipulate the price to the downside here, the red line. Yeah. Then only this will happen here. And then this. Yeah. So my focus, if I look to the other cryptos, then the green line is more what will happen because the structure here, 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 and here tell us, okay, something big is coming, the end case or the end game, yeah. And this show us, okay, 60 cent because this here, the green line, I make this in green. This green line here has nothing to do with the construct here because the whales in the end of the cycle they stretch and stretch and stretch, and we can compare the end cycle with this movement here. Look here, you can see up and downs, up and down, up and down, up and down, and then start of the construct and stretching. Yeah, I expect something like that. Be careful because then the downtrend is coming. I will describe this behavior in my membership Wolf Next Target and Wolf M Price Target because you need here updates, updates, updates. So I would update in this 2-3 weeks more so that you are up to date. Okay, then I can say, okay, we are here at this point, uptrend. We are at this point, uptrend, and then here, okay, downtrend. Yeah, so that you can or get these informations very exactly. So we're looking here two more. Then I would finish. Let's look here to Bitcoin Cash. Boy, this is good. This is good. The reason is you can see here this was the first pump. You can see here this wonderful look here. $100, $300. Yeah, this was the first pump. The second pump, if this happening, then I expect this. If this going here $200, then I expect here also $200 in direction of 500. Yeah, because this we have the construct for this. We have the triangle here for this. We have a wonderful support. Yeah, and everything you need is to invest, but there's no financial advice to decide. Because I say the point, if the whales manipulate the price to this level, everything is over. So you have to decide, please look to the chart and look exactly what happens with the chart. Yeah? In my eyes, the green line will happen. I expect here a pump because this here is red, yes, but in my eyes, um, the testing The testing formation is coming to the end. You can see this here wonderful. And here you can see this also exactly here. They stretch this here, this small here, they stretch to the upside. And if this is negative, then they would stretch this to the downside like this. So at the moment, positive, yeah. But it can change. Only one move to the downside like this, and everything's over. So please look exactly and follow the chart. If you see that the price is going to higher levels like this, especially at 260, and coming back to these levels, I make this in green that you see this. Yeah. If you see a formation like this, yeah, and then the next move is a breakout. Yeah. So you can see on my channel you can make profit. So I'm not sorry for the word. I'm not talking shit here. I'm looking here to the chart, and there's a possibility to make cash. So I say to you the two ways. Look here. In my eyes, the green line. If they manipulate the price to the downside, you have other eyes. Then you can look here. If the price drops to 217, then you know, oh, okay, the price will go here to the downside. Yeah, please look here exactly. So yes, I agree with you. The Bitcoin Cash is the next Bitcoin. The reason I explain you this, so the reason why I expect the Bitcoin Cash the next people wake up. This chart is coming from 4 5,000. This is like a stellar chart and XRP chart, yeah. And we have two high points, yeah, this and this, yeah. And only this here give us a really big information that the next point of Bitcoin Cash have to go here to 6,000. Only the next point. This is not the end target. Yeah, no financial advice. Yeah, but they can manipulate a lot. But the logical point is 6,000, and the 6,000 is not the end target. So really, and that's the point in which we have to look to Bitcoin Cash exactly. Yeah, Yes, we have here the possibility. Look here, wonderful hammer. We will exit. We can expect here uptrend like this, but this is not the bull run. We can expect this. This can go to 100%, but this is not the bull run. Yeah. So I think this is the next wave here, to the upside. Um, let's look. Yeah. So I would recommend that really the memberships so that we can look here often and look in detail. But I can say long term, very very good. So let's look Filecoin, one of the best manipulated cryptos. The reason is they manipulate the price so that you should think, okay, the Filecoin has no value and no performance. Yeah. Also in the membership, I mentioned the performance of Filecoin. Only that you understand is if you're talking in the membership about $240, this is peanuts. So that means we have to reach the 240. Yeah, this is the next point. Yeah, and the price will go really high and explode. That's not the point. Yeah. Look to the membership, then you know you see the end target. Let's look here to the short-term area. What will happen here? Also wonderful. Let me look. I would say daily chart. So the performance is at the moment disappointed because you can see the price is going from $3 to $5. This is too few. Yeah. But now the big but is coming. If you look here to the construct here and here, wonderful, really wonderful. Even a blind chicken can make here cash. Yeah, really. The reason is, yes, we fall out of range here. Yeah, the uptrend is broke. Yeah, yeah. But this is not a cycle in which a formation ends. This is never. This is never a formation. Yeah, that we in which we can say, okay, everything is over, the price will go and crash to the downside. No, this is a never the case here. This is here the pre-step of a really big pump. Yeah, look here. You can see this also from the signs. If you are a beginner, then you would get here cold feet because then you say, okay, this is my uptrend and the price is out of range here, and I have to sell. The price can come to the downside. Yes, there's a situation. If the whales manipulate the price a little bit to the downside, then we are in a negative area. But at the moment, it is positive. That means I expect that the price pumps here back in the channel. Yeah, here, make this move, and then really the crazy pump will happen that the price will pump to higher levels like this. Yeah. So I think we will break here the $6 and then go higher. We have to look this again because the reason is the whales stretch these formations, and I know that that is the last wave. Yeah, this last wave they can stretch. Let me look here to the whole structure. They could stretch the last wave. Let me look to levels of $10. Yeah, you could see here 100% pump. Yeah, if this is not happening, I would say the price is at $6. But in my eyes, it makes sense to test the levels here again. Look here. Do you see this? And this here is a situation. What for us is what can I say? Then we can read the next step. Yeah, because if we test the level, That means the breakout is for breakout. This is weak. Yeah, this is relatively clear what will happen then. From $10, the price will smash to the downside. Yeah, and then you have here the possibility to get in here very cheap. Become member. I will describe this relative in detail. Yeah, so if we're going to $10, then it's relatively clear what will happen. So we can make a double high. So I would recommend it really from here to May membership here. Yeah, so that you can get here this information from my side and start here with a good pump. Let's see. So you can look to the overview. Wolf next target is $100. Yeah, Wolf end price target 250. If you take the Bitcoin Club for 500, then you have all the membership free. Yeah, you have the Wolf next target, you have the Wolf end price target. You can request, look to the announce video analysis or videos, then you can request there. And I update here in this next. I want to make an update in this 2 3 weeks very often because here's a huge opportunity, yeah, in the uptrend and the downtrend, so that you get this service more often, yeah, so that you can say, okay, we are here at this level, the next point is this, and let's see. Yeah. So I would I want would make here two more, then I would finish. Please request this also in the membership. Let's look to, I would say Dogecoin is interesting. Okay, you can say the name for Volcoin. I have no idea if we can look here to the, okay, Volcoin is this, okay? Okay, this is relative early, or the chart is small. Let me look here to, let me look to this also early. Let me look to this and to this. Okay, then we have to work with this chart here. The exchanges listed this at August. So if I see a crypto, a new crypto like this, we have no chart and so on, then I look to the Bitcoin chart. Then you can see that we had our uptrend here. Yeah, the Bitcoin price, the uptrend starts here and go here to this level. So what possible is we could get here a really good pump to higher levels. Yeah, you can see we have also the signs for this. I expect that the chart is going to $3, $4 levels. Yeah, you will see this. But from this point, I'm not so positive because the reason is this chart has no history, first point. The second point is the downtrend will come relative quick. Yeah. Maybe the whales can stretch this for 2 or 4 months. Yeah, let's say the price is coming back and stretching to January, February. Yeah, but what is then coming is not good because the price will drop really hard to the downside like this. Yeah, and then you could get the price easily for 20 cent. Yeah, then you're a happy man because you have now the information. Otherwise, you would invest at $4. You see that the price has potential to 20 cent. Yeah. And that is relatively interesting from this point. The price could go successive to the upside, and then we have to reach the $6 again. Here, the uptrend goes in direction of $6. So we're looking here to Dogecoin. So what we have here, um, first view disappointment because if you look the performance of Dogecoin, look here, from 0.004 cent to $1 areas, yeah, and then you can see the price is coming back. You see the first pump here, the second pump here, yeah. So okay, the price is rising. We are out of range, yeah. Everything is okay, but the problem is we are nearly coming to the end. So you can see we made here outbreak, make a retest. Everything is positive, everything is okay. But if we're reaching the levels of, let me look what we have. If you're reaching the $12 areas, then is a relative critic because you can see with your own eyes that the W pattern is fulfilled here. Then is relative negative. Yeah, you can see the performance is not so good. We have here a resistant here. I make it red, and we have a resistant also here. Yeah. You see the price of Bitcoin is at the moment 36,000. Yeah. So 36,000, Dogecoin is at 0.007. So if the price of Bitcoin goes to 20,000, then we can expect that the price is going here like this. Yeah. So Bitcoin have to go to 100,000, in which we can say, okay, the price at is at the Bitcoin price at 100,000. The price of Dogecoin have to test these levels. At the moment, I'm not seeing this. Let's say, okay, the whales stretch this or want to make a stretching here, then we can see we can expect here 30 to 40 cent. But at the moment, I'm not hearing news or something like that, and I think to stretch the price from 0.007 to 35 cent without reason is too big in my eyes. Yeah, so we have the formation, yes, everything is okay. We broke the structure, but what I see at the moment is direction of 11 cent or 10 cent. Yeah, from this point, if the price coming back from Bitcoin, then look to this downside area and expect the price here at levels of 0.001 or 0.002. Yeah, because from this we have a new ground. Yeah, form this formation here, the blue, and then we can talk about the bull run and say, okay, we have the structure, everything is okay, and then the price can fly like this. Yeah. So I would say I'm finished. Please become a member so that you get this information from my side. If you want a special Bitcoin analyze, below is a link you can request there. Then you get also more insights in the Bitcoin prediction because it is important if you want short or want make a long in the short term, yeah, because the analysis is from today. So it's a prediction for the next 5 to 10 days. There's a possibility to make gains, yeah. So because if you zoom in the Bitcoin chart, if you look here exactly, yeah, then you can recognize here some structure. You can see this here. Look, yeah. So at the moment, you see we are the uptrend is active, yeah, and it is relatively easy to predict here because you can see we test this level so much, and the next logical point is if we not break this structure, then that the price is going to this level, and then the price activate some routines or some behavior. Yeah, then it's relatively interesting. Yeah, so you have here the possibility to make gains. Use this. Below is a link. Have a nice day. See you later. I will update more videos in the membership of next target and Wolfram price target, I would recommend it you for you the memberships. Have a nice day. Good night.